Ministry spokeswoman Zhang Yu says China is among terrorism's many victims.
Terrorism is the public enemy of the international community. China has always opposed any form of terrorism and actively participates in the international fight against terrorism.
Although international terror groups like Al-Qaeda have not specifically targeted China, Zhang pointed to Uyghur Muslim separatists who have committed small-scale acts of violence in far northwestern Xinjiang. Earlier this month, Chinese forces joined troops from Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan in counter-terrorism drills in Xinjiang. The drills included searching for separatist fighters. For many people in the Chinese public, it is not hard to see links between international terrorists and separatists, especially activists in restive Chinese minority regions like Tibet and Xinjiang, which many Chinese refer to as East Turkestan. Beijing resident Wu Songgang is one of them.
Al-Qaeda is related to East Turkestan and terrorist groups in Xinjiang and Tibet, which pose a great threat to our border, security, and sovereignty.
This is exactly what Uyghur scholar Ilham Tohti sees as a problem. The Chinese government using the fight against terrorism as a reason to crack down even harder on a minority group that is already feeling oppressed. He says there are no links between Uyghur activists in Xinjiang and international terrorist groups like Al-Qaeda.
Those people who think they can connect Osama bin Laden to the Uyghurs should just shut their mouths if they are smart enough.
Tohti blames Chinese media for helping to use the death of bin Laden to kidnap the Uyghur issue and stoke more popular anti-Uyghur sentiment. He acknowledges that some Uyghurs have extreme views and even have extreme methods. But he says many of his fellow Uyghurs feel they are being unfairly held accountable for a few bad actors. Stephanie Ho, VOA News, Beijing.